Hey pre-calc, today we are doing ellipses day 3. See, like, I just realized I wrote 7-2 day 3, ellipses day 3. Little redundant. Alright, well, today I'm going to try to do this quick. We need to finally do solving for an equation of an ellipse given parts. So let's do an example since you know everything about the equation of an ellipse and parts of an ellipse. So find the equation of an ellipse. With vertices at -2, -4, and -2, 8. And length of the minor axis and a minor axis length of 10, I guess. Okay, so like I said in this video, given parts, we want to determine the equation. So the first thing you want to do is a sketch. And then understand the parts that were given and then what does that lead to. So I'm going to make a coordinate plane and I'm just going to do, like I said, a sketch. So it's not going to be 100% accurate. Right? So if we have vertices at -2, 4, so I'm just going to mark here as -2, and then let's have this, I don't know, -4. So at -2, -4, here's a vertice. I'm going to label it with a V. And then at -2, 8, so I'll just put this up here, we have another vertice, right? So vertice to vertice, remember that is the major axis, right? So this is going to be our major axis length. And that means that the center is going to be exactly halfway in between there. So let's just take some side notes, I suppose. I should be doing this in a different color, whatever. Okay, so we'll say major axis is equal to is x equals -2, right? And so that means our a value is going to end up being 6, right? Because 8 and then another 4, right? So halfway in between, that'll be 6 to the center. So that means my center is going to be at -2, 2. Right? And then we need more information, right? Because this only gives us part of it. We need to figure out our b value. But because we're told that the minor axis has a length of 10, then we know that our b value has to be half of that, so our b value is 5. So just to quickly recap, we knew our vertices. That gave us the entire major axis, right? X equals -2. And then we know halfway in between there will be our center, so that's how we get our center point. And that's what also gives us our a value. And we know it's our a value because the vertices give us the major axis, and that's the longer side. Then our minor axis length is going to give us our b value, and then that is all we need to write our equation. So sketch / info, I guess. It's a required step. And then the second step is equation. So that's going to be x, and then because our x value is -2, it'll be plus 2 squared. Because this is a minor, right? Because horizontal is going to be the minor axis. It'll be 5 squared, so it'll be over 25. Plus y minus 2 squared over, and then this is our major axis, so that's our a value squared, so that's 36 equals 1. And that is that. We have our equation given the parts. So, sketch, info, equation, and you're done. You ready for this pre-calc? Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button.